Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
How to solve any problem step by step. Problems are a part of life. Everyone has problems, big or small, but not everyone knows how to solve them. If you learn the right steps, you can solve almost any problem. Step 1. Understand the problem. Before solving a problem, you must understand it completely. What to do. 1. Say the problem in one sentence. 2. Ask why to understand the cause of the problem. 3. Write down all things that make the problem difficult. Sometimes we think, why me? Why is my life so hard? But here's the truth, problems are not punishments, they are invitations to grow. Each problem is like a teacher whispering, there's something you need to learn. When you accept that, life becomes easier. You stop fighting your problems and start learning from them. When something bad happens, our first reaction is usually emotional. We panic, cry, get angry, or blame someone else. That's normal, we are human. But emotion alone doesn't solve anything. If your house is on fire, shouting at the fire won't stop it. You must act wisely, not just emotionally. The secret is this, don't make decisions when you are angry, sad, or afraid. Take a deep breath, sit down, drink some water, let your emotions cool, then your mind will see solutions clearly. Let me calm down before I decide. I will think about it when I feel more peaceful. Most people don't actually solve their problems, they avoid them. They distract themselves with their phone, friends, TV, or work. But avoidance doesn't make a problem disappear, it just hides it for a while. If your room is dirty, closing your eyes doesn't make it clean. You have to face it and start cleaning one corner at a time. When you face your problem, it often becomes smaller than you imagined. Fear grows in your mind when you avoid things. Every problem has layers. What you see is often just the surface. Example, I fight with my partner every day, but the root problem might be I don't feel heard or I am afraid of being alone. Example, I am lazy and unmotivated, but the root cause might be I am depressed or I don't know what I want. When you go deeper, you find truth, and only truth can heal a problem. Blaming others feels good for a moment, but it keeps you stuck. When you blame, you give away your power. When you take responsibility, you take your power back. You can't control what people do, but you can always control how you respond. Instead of saying it's their fault, I'm unhappy, say I can choose how to react and what to do next. You don't need to solve everything today. Just do one small thing that makes your situation better. If you are broke, start learning a new skill. If you are lonely, send a message to one person. If you are unhealthy, walk for 10 minutes. If you are confused, write down your thoughts. Change happens step by step. Small progress every day creates big results over time. Every problem you solve gives you wisdom. You become calmer, stronger, and more confident. And when new problems come, you face them with more courage. Life will never be problem free, but you will become problem proof. You will learn to say, I can handle this. This too shall pass. Every challenge makes me wiser. When problems hit, emotions rise. Don't rush decisions in anger, fear, or stress. Take a breath, step back, let your mind settle before you act. Ask yourself, what exactly is wrong? Many people try to fix symptoms, instead of causes. Write it down. Clarity creates solutions. Don't waste energy on what you can't change. Some things are outside your control. Accept them. Direct your effort toward what's within your power, your choices, actions, and mindset. Think in solutions, not blame. Winners fix problems, losers fix blame. Instead of why did this happen to me, ask what can I learn or do next. Every challenge teaches you something that prepares you for the next level. Break big problems into small steps. Small steps make impossible things possible. Divide the problem into smaller tasks you can handle today. Progress, even tiny, builds confidence and momentum. Every problem is a teacher in disguise. Don't just solve it, grow from it. Ask, what did this experience teach me about myself, people, or life? Hard times don't break you, they build you. Believe that you can learn and improve. Problems become opportunities when you see them as training, not punishment. Some problems don't need immediate answers, they need time and persistence. Let honesty, kindness, and integrity guide your actions. Even if the result takes time, you will never lose yourself in the process. Pain doesn't destroy you, it shapes you. Every difficulty you face is preparing you for something greater. So, next time life feels hard, don't ask why me. Ask, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this? And step by step, you will notice you don't just solve problems anymore, you transform them into lessons.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.